Alright, College Algebra, Chapter R Review. For number 1, I got -3, and there's my work. For 2, -2. For 3, 15. For 4, 0. For 5, 23. For 6, 4/5. For 7, -infinity to 0, 0 to infinity. 8, -infinity to 0, 0 to infinity. 9, -infinity to infinity. 10, -infinity to -1, -1 to 1, and 1 to infinity. 11, -infinity to -3, -3 to 3, 3 to infinity. 12, -infinity to -1, -1 to 0, 0 to 1, 1 to infinity. Some of you probably forgot about the -1, but that x squared minus 1 becomes x plus 1, x minus 1. Watch that. For 13, I got x over y. For 14, I got 16x squared over 9y squared. Here's where I distributed, and then I moved the 3 squared down and the 4 squared up. For number 15, I got 64x to the 6th by distributing the squared. For 16, I distribute the -1, then I subtract, then I get rid of negative exponents. So I get 1 over 2 x to the 6th y squared z. For 17, I use Pythagorean theorem and get 13. And 18, I get 5. 19, I distribute that 5 first, and that's what you see right here. And then I add like terms, and I get 5x squared minus 6x plus 27. Number 20, I distribute my 6, and then I distribute -4. If you choose to not distribute -4 and just 4, it stays a subtraction problem. If you distribute -4, it becomes an addition problem. You get 4x cubed minus 24x squared minus 12x minus 26. Number 21 is 12x cubed plus 20x squared minus 4x minus 8. An area model can be completed to find that. For 22, an area model can be completed to get 36x squared minus 12x plus 1. For 23, distribute the 3, then add like terms, 18x minus 11. 24, distribute the -2, add like terms, x squared minus 5x plus 11. For 25, I got 4x squared minus 11x plus 23, plus -45 over x plus 2. For 26, x squared minus 2x plus 1/2 plus 2.5x plus 1/2 over 2x squared plus x plus 1. 27, x squared minus x minus 1 plus 2x plus 2 over x squared plus x plus 1. 28, 5x squared minus 13 plus x plus 27 over x squared plus 2. 29, -3x cubed minus 3x squared minus 3x minus 5 plus -6 over x minus 1. For 30, I did area models, and I got x plus 8, x minus 8. Or on that one, I did difference of squares, For 31, I did 3x, then I factored that parenthesis up there that you see, and got x minus 6 and x plus 2. For 32, I did an area model since it was 4 terms, and got 2x plus 3, then x squared minus 1. X squared minus 1 can break to x minus 1, x plus 1. 33, I did an area model and did 3x squared plus 2 and x minus 4. Some of you might say, well, x squared plus 2, 3x squared plus 2 might break down. It doesn't because it's not a difference. 34, I got x and then 2x plus 3 and 4x minus 5. 35, I got 2x squared and x minus 25. 36, you can see each part factored, and you're left with x minus 3 and x plus 7. 37, you can see each part factored, and you're left with x plus 3 quantity squared and x minus 3 quantity squared. Can you write it twice? Of course. 38, I got 4x squared plus 10x minus 2 over x minus 1 and x plus 2. Does not look like I showed much work. I apologize. Number 39. I got 3x squared minus 4x plus 4 over x minus 1 squared. 40, I factored, and then I got left with x plus 3, x minus 2, x minus 5, over x minus 1, x plus 5, x minus 3. 41, I factored and was left with x minus 4, x plus 3, over x minus 1, and 2x plus 1. 42, it looks like I multiplied the first fraction by x plus 4 and the second fraction by x plus 1. Then I combined them and got negative x squared plus 3x plus 13 over my big denominator of x minus 2, x plus 1, and x plus 4. 43, I factored everything and got x minus 6 and x minus 2. Then 4x minus 5 and 4x minus 5 and x plus 2. That is it for the review that you are required to do. If you want the extra one, here are the extra problems worked out. 19 is negative 10, 20, 31, 25, negative infinity to 6, 6 to infinity, 26, negative infinity to negative 5, negative 5 to infinity, 33, 1 over x to the 5th y, 34, x to the 6th, y to the 4th, 35, 125 over x squared y, 36, 9y to the 5/3 over x, 42, negative 3x cubed plus 15x squared minus x plus 1, 44, 6x squared minus 11x minus 10, 46, 25x squared plus 20x plus 4, 48, x cubed minus x squared minus 17x minus 15, 50, 4x squared minus 9y squared, 52, 3x squared plus 2xy minus 5y squared, 53, 3x squared plus 8x plus 25 with the remainder of 79, 54, 2x squared plus 8x plus 3 with the remainder of 7, 55, negative 3x squared plus 4 with the remainder of negative 2, 56, negative 4x plus 1 with a remainder of negative 4x minus 1, 57, x to the 4th minus x cubed plus x squared minus x plus 1, 58, x to the 4th plus x cubed plus x squared plus x plus 1, 60, x minus 7, x minus 2, 63 is wrong. I should have 3 and then x plus 2, x minus 7, 66, 3x minus 2, then 9x squared plus 6x plus 4, 69, 5x plus 2, 5x minus 2, 72 is prime, 76, negative, and then x minus 7 over x minus 2. 78, x plus 5, and then negative x plus 1 and x minus 1. 80, negative x squared, and then x plus 2x plus 1. On the bottom, sorry. 104 is the square root of 89, and 105 is yes. Good luck on your test. Please come and see me before your test if you have questions. This is a big chunk of your grade, and it's the first test. I want you to do well.